Hello everyone, welcome to Kitchen Essentials Review Hub. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the Calphalon Classic Stainless Steel 10-piece cookware set. This set is known for its exceptional quality and has gained popularity among home cooks for its durability and performance. Let's explore why this set could be the right choice for your kitchen. Design and build quality. Crafted from stainless steel with an impact-bonded aluminum base, this cookware set ensures even heat distribution, making it perfect for browning, searing, and sautéing. Users often praise its sturdy build and sleek appearance, and the stainless steel handles are designed to stay cool on the stovetop, adding to its ease of use. Special features: convenient measuring marks inside the pots help make cooking precise and efficient. Pour spouts and straining covers provide added convenience, so draining liquids is easier without needing extra tools. Tempered glass lids let you monitor your food as it cooks without losing heat. The set is oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing a seamless transition from stovetop to oven. This cookware set is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. While many users find the cleaning process straightforward, opinions vary on how sticky food can get and how easily it comes off. Some suggest applying a thin layer of oil to the pan before cooking to help with stickiness. Customer feedback. Feedback from customers highlights the excellent heat distribution and cookability. Users like Marcus Little have mentioned that even with regular use, the pans remain unscratched and perform wonderfully. Perkle, another satisfied customer, appreciates that the set doesn't include harmful PTFE coatings and can be placed in the dishwasher without issues. Thanks for watching this review. Classic 10-piece stainless steel cookware set. The product featured in this video was available at a great discount when I uploaded versatile and durable cookware. Discounts can change function with style. So make sure to check the description below for the latest meal offers, special weekend dinner. If you're looking for amazing kitchen gadgets at discounts ranging from 10% to 60% off, be sure to subscribe to Upgrade My Kitchen. I always review products after gathering a lot of knowledge and checking customer feedback. That's why I feature top-rated and best-selling products that are perfect for upgrading your kitchen.